There's nothing like a frozen drink on a hot summer day. But like nicely frozen. Like one of those industrial frozen drink machines, where the entire drink turns to ice, and it's not just ice added to a drink. But you can't really get one of those. This is ICEY. It's like having one of those machines, only personal. Here's how it works. Pour, press, put in freezer, then let it stir on its own for about 90 minutes. And that's it, a terrific frozen drink. Oh yeah, so refreshing. Makes you feel like arranging a pool party. Would be cooler if you had friends though. Just like those big machines, the secret is in the stirring. The liquid freezes, and the constant stirring turns the drink to icy crystals. And since it's personal, the variety is huge. You can make anything. This, or this, or that. Ah, look at this. This is going on your Instagram. Yeah, take 20 pics. We'll wait. This one is a margarita. It was made like everything else. Just pour the mix and tequila. And drink. Isn't it great being a grown-up? This is a frozen chocolate. Because it's also great being a kid. Or a grown-up. Whatever works. You don't even have to pour it. Put on the lid and straw, and you have a sippy cup with no extra cup mess. There's also a koozie to keep the cool. Oh, and there are 5 different colors. Get 2, and the colors help you remember which frozen lemonade has liquor in it. Good. So how do you make a terrific frozen drink in an easy 1, 2, 3? With ICEY. So much fun.